Story time. My first real airplane ride. Kidzdom. I was only around 2.5 years old when I went to New Zealand on the 8th of June 2014. I got to sit next to the window. It was dark outside because we left during nighttime. Look, I got to listen to music and even watch some films. We boarded the plane for 11 hours. It was so much fun. It was a long trip. I fell asleep during the trip. We stopped over Sydney, Australia for 3 hours. This is Sydney Airport. Travel later. We happened to meet a nice lady who needed to visit Ernie's. I learned later that my dad already met the lady's sister and her family. What a small world! Here, I was watching the airplanes as they took off. I could not wait to see my dad who went ahead to New Zealand 3 months earlier. I missed him so much. Finally, we're in New Zealand. Oh! We are inside a very long tunnel. I was so happy to see my dad again. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.